Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another video of the kids' lunches. As you see, I have two separate lunches going on. Kian does not like very many things, and he is super picky. So when Victoria specifies something, I have to kind of give him something different. So I guess we'll get started with her lunch. This is hers. She requested some Chef Boyardee SpaghettiOs, and then she has an applesauce pouch, a string cheese, and then those are some Lay's chips. And for a treat, she's got some little Reese's peanut butter cups, and then she's gonna have a grape juice with that today. For her snack, she's gonna have some of these Laughing Cow cheese dippers and a yogurt. Kian today has pocket peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. That's these. I use these cute little like pocket sandwich makers. Anyways, he's got some pepperoni, a Baby Bell cheese, some Lay's chips, apple slices, and then those are the snap pea crisps, and then he's got an apple juice. So this is what the kids are having for lunch today. Hope you guys are happy. Oh, and he's got some little, there you go. He's got some little Reese's peanut butter cups too. So that's what the kids are having for lunch today. Hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bye.